In a world where we often find ourselves struggling to manifest our desires, one common problem persists. We set goals, dream big, and hope for a better life, but too often, it feels like our intentions fall upon deaf ears. We yearn for a solution, desperate to unlock the secret that will change everything. What if there was a hidden force, a universal principle that could turn your intentions into reality? A force so powerful it could attract success, love, and abundance into your life. Imagine if you could tap into this extraordinary power and unleash it to create the life you've always dreamed of. But how? How can we access this hidden power and activate the law of attraction within us? Today, we unveil a secret method, an extraordinary discovery made by the renowned pioneer in past life regression and metaphysics, Dolores Cannon. This method holds the key to unlocking the true potential of the human mind and harnessing the infinite power of intention. In this captivating video, we will delve deep into the power of intention and the law of attraction. Through Dolores Cannon's groundbreaking method, we will explore how you can manifest your desires, transform your life, and create your own destiny. But remember, knowledge without action is merely an idea. To truly transform your life, it's crucial to take the steps necessary to activate this hidden power within you. So, get ready to embark on a journey of discovery as we unveil the secret method that can unlock your greatest potential. Before we embark on this journey, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if are new here. All right, let's begin. The power of intention is an incredible force that has the ability to shape our lives in profound ways. By understanding this power, we can tap into the infinite potential of the universe and manifest our desires with precision. Imagine having the power to create your reality simply by being intentional with your thoughts and actions. When we set clear and specific intentions, we send a clear message to the universe about what we truly desire. For instance, if you want to buy your dream house, don't simply ask the universe to give you a place to live. Instead, be specific. Envision the type of house you want, its location, and the features it should have. The more precise you are, the better you align yourself with the energy needed to manifest your dream. Our journey to understanding ourselves and our deepest desires doesn't end in the present moment. By exploring our past and future through regression and progression techniques, we can gain profound insights into who we truly are and what lies ahead. Past life regressions allow us to dig deep into our subconscious, revealing past experiences and patterns that may still be influencing our present lives. By exploring these past lives, we can gain a clearer understanding of our strengths, challenges, and the lessons we need to learn. Similarly, through future progressions, we can catch a glimpse of our future possibilities. It's like opening a door to the realm of endless potentiality, where we can see ourselves living our dreams and navigating the paths yet to be traveled. Through future progression, you can transport your mind to a future where your desires have already come to fruition. By vividly imagining yourself living your desired reality, you create a strong, energetic connection that amplifies the manifestation process. Every thought, every emotion, and every intention we hold has the power to shape our reality. It all starts within us, as the universe responds to the frequencies we emit through our thoughts and emotions. When we consciously choose positive thoughts, cultivate empowering emotions, and set intentions aligned with our desires, we raise our vibrational frequency. This higher frequency allows us to attract positive experiences and manifest our intentions with greater ease. Take a moment to close your eyes and see your desired outcome clearly in your mind. Engage all your senses and immerse yourself in the experience. Feel the joy, hear the sounds, and see the details vividly. As you do this, you are sending a message to the universe that this is what you truly want. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, orchestrating events and opportunities to bring your desires to fruition. Remember, doubts and negative thoughts only serve to hinder the manifestation process. Embrace a mindset of trust, gratitude, and unwavering belief in the power of your mind. When it comes to manifesting your desires, it's important to shift your focus from the how to the what and why. Instead of getting caught up in the details of how your desires will manifest, concentrate on clearly defining what you want and understanding why it is important to you. By clearly stating your desires and understanding the underlying reasons behind them, you send a powerful message to the universe. This clarity of intention allows the universe to align with your desires, bringing you opportunities and possibilities that you may not have considered. Manifestation is not a race against time. It's essential to release the pressure of a specific time frame and instead embrace time as a catalyst for positive action and growth. Rather than feeling hurried, use time as a motivating force to take consistent, purposeful action towards your desired outcomes. Each step, no matter how small, takes you closer to the manifestation of your desires. Guided visualizations are powerful tools that can enhance your manifesting power. One such technique is the future progression exercise. As explained, the universe operates in mysterious ways, often bringing our desires to fruition in unexpected and magical ways. By trusting in these universal laws, you open yourself up to receiving your desires beyond what you initially imagined. Your role is to set your intentions and trust that the universe will orchestrate the perfect path for your desires to manifest. Be open to opportunities, synchronicities, and connections that may lead you to your desired outcomes. Belief is a fundamental element in manifesting your desires. By fostering a deep conviction that what you desire will eventually become your reality, you align yourself with a powerful, co-creative energy between yourself and the universe. Hold the unwavering belief that your desires are not only possible, but that they are already on their way to you. This belief strengthens the manifestation process and opens doors to new possibilities. Manifestation is not solely about positive thinking. It requires aligned action. Taking small, consistent actions every day that align with your intentions accelerates the process and propels your desires towards manifestation. Break down your desires into manageable steps and commit to taking action each day. These small steps compound over time and create momentum, making your dreams a reality faster than you may have thought possible. Patience is a virtue when it comes to manifesting your desires. Even if the manifestation process takes longer than anticipated, trust that it's because the universe is orchestrating the perfect timing for your desires to unfold. Instead of becoming frustrated or discouraged, cultivate a sense of security and faith that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Trust that the universe knows the perfect timing for your desires to manifest. In the grand play of life, you are both the director and the audience. You have the power to co-create your reality and shape how things play out. Friends, as we conclude this incredible journey of discovery, remember that you possess an extraordinary power within you. The power to respond, to make choices, and to shape your life in alignment with your truest desires. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions are the very tools that will manifest the life you've always dreamed of. If you found this video insightful and empowering, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't already done so. Your support motivates us to continue delivering valuable content for your manifestation journey. We also encourage you to share your thoughts, insights, and experiences in the comment section below. We value your input and would love to engage with you to further deepen our understanding of the power of manifestation. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep taking inspired action.